What's the meaning of calamitous? Calamitous. Calamitous.
Calamitous. Calamitous. The term calamitous refers to something that is disastrous or catastrophic. It is usually used to describe an event or situation that causes great damage, destruction, or loss. When something is calamitous, it often results in significant negative consequences such as injuries, deaths, economic collapse, environmental damage, or social unrest. The effects of a calamitous event can be long-lasting and widespread, impacting not just individuals but also communities and entire regions. Examples of calamitous events include natural disasters like hurricanes, earthquakes, and floods, as well as human-made disasters like wars, terrorist attacks, and nuclear accidents.